Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is Excellent Tech, and today in this Photoshop CC 2019 tutorial I will show you how you can export or save your files with just a click of a button. This can come quite handy if you have to create thumbnails, for example, like I do for gaming walkthroughs. So my client said, can you make 50 different thumbnails and number them from 1 to 50 for my gaming walkthrough? And I said, yeah, why not? And then the struggle came. I had to click on Ctrl+S, click on Save as Type and save it as JPEG. And then change the name again and click on Ctrl+S, click on JPEG and save it as 2. While I could do this, I could head over to Edit, scroll down to Keyboard Shortcuts, click on File twice, or click twice on the blank space, or click once on the little arrow, and scroll a little bit down where you can see Quick Export as PNG. Now you can use Ctrl+*. I use this because it's not used already. If I use, for example, Ctrl+S, which is already used, and it makes my files save. So I will use Ctrl+*, but before I do that I will return this command back to save. So I have Ctrl+* for my export automatically shortcut. So now if I want to change my name, change my part, I just click on Ctrl+* and I save. Now if I want to create another part, I click T on my keyboard and click and change the part and name it 4, name it 5, accept, click on Ctrl+* and save, and that's it. It's a lot more faster and better than clicking on Ctrl+S and then finding JPEG and saving it. This one makes it a lot easier, and you have just to put the name and change the part. Guys, if you are wondering how did I make these thumbnails, basically I'm a YouTube thumbnail creator down on Fiverr, and I offer my services to one of the most popular YouTubers around there. If you want to get my services, I will leave the link down in the description for my Fiverr homepage. And if you're interested, you can contact me and we can make a nice deal. And basically guys, that's it for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys the next time. Stay awesome like you always do.